Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, it's kind of one of these foreigners behaving badly videos again. Every now and then a news story comes up and I just kind of say, you know what, let's do a video on that. If for no other reason, I'm hoping that people will see it and sort of say, yeah, it's probably not the greatest idea to engage in that kind of behavior. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from The Phuket News. That's thephuketnews.com. Article is titled, Australian Injured in Brawl with French Tourist. Quoting directly, an Australian man was injured in a fight with a French tourist inside a Patong hotel yesterday morning, prompting police to launch a search for the Frenchman who fled the scene. Quoting directly, Patong police were called to the hotel on Nanai Road, Patong at about 9:35 a.m. after staff reported a violent altercation between two foreign guests. Arriving with rescue workers from the Kuson Tam Phuket Foundation, officers found Australian tourist, I'm going to redact names, bleeding on the hotel floor. He had sustained a head wound about 5 centimeters long. I mean, that's pretty significant. Quoting further, witnesses told the police two tourists had exchanged punches before the Frenchman fled on a black Yamaha INMAX motorbike with Phuket license plate. I'll just redact that as well. Rescue workers administered first aid before taking the person to Patong Hospital. However, he refused treatment after being admitted. Police have not confirmed what sparked the fight, but said that the person had been summoned to give a formal statement as part of an investigation. So I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article for further information. The only point I'm trying to make in this is, it's very strange. Foreigners come here and sometimes it's kind of like they lose their mind and do things that they wouldn't otherwise do. This was like 9 in the morning. So I have to imagine one of them, presumably, unless there was some background here I'm not aware of, was somehow heavily intoxicated after a very heavy night out and then engaged in this, brawl, I guess, with this other person and resulting in a pretty serious injury. Again, one person now has been summoned to give evidence in the matter. How that plays out remains to be seen. I presume the Thai police are then searching for the perpetrator. So again, it'll probably all come out at the end of the day with somebody ending up dealing with, I guess, the Thai criminal justice system. Point I'm trying to make with this video is, if you're looking to come to Thailand, there's a great scene in, we'll go ahead and use this as part of the thumbnail. There's a scene in the show 1883 where they have the sheriff of Fort Worth, Texas, who says, if you want to dance with the girls, dance with the girls. You want to drink at the bar, drink at the bar. If any of you fancy yourselves a gunman, you're in the wrong town. There's only one killer in Dodge, and that's me. Or a killer in Fort Worth, and that's me. That's what this sheriff says. And, while I don't condone being the only killer in Thailand, that's not good for anybody. Point I'm trying to make is, if you're looking to come to Thailand and have a good time, so be it. But if you're looking to come to Thailand and cause trouble, it's not only going to cause problems for you, it's going to cause problems for other people, and then you're going to have to deal with the Thai police and possibly end up in the really fine accommodation of Thai prison or jail. Not a place you want to end up. Again, probably best to try to keep the violence foreigner on foreigner, although it may be. Never a good idea to engage in violence with the locals, as there's more of them than you, if for no other reason than that. But that said, probably best to keep it on a low-key sort of situation or a low-key when it comes to violence, because getting violent over here, to my mind, benefits precisely no one.